Hello, this is Katie and this is the October Relax and Craft subscription box. So I've already unboxed it because I damaged the box and it didn't look very nice, but the contents were not damaged whatsoever, really well packed. And I may have eaten the biscuits that came with it, the relax bit, but I still got my cup of tea. So yeah, so it's been a couple of days since I got this, but I've been really good and I've not played with it until I have shown you guys it. So you can see what I've got here. Basically, we've got a bag full of beautiful gemstones, we've got lots and lots of gorgeous wire, and we've got everything we need to put everything together. So we'll start off with the findings. You always get these lovely little organza bags too. So we've got some fabulous spacer beads, we've got jump rings, and in here we have clasps, ear wires and head pins. My favourite head pins with the flat head on them. And we've got quite a lot of chain as well. So lots to be putting everything together with there and to use within your designs. And then we've got our wire, silver plated copper wire in a lovely silver bag. And our wire, we have got 5 meters of your 0.4. We have got 5 meters of your 0.6 and 3 meters of your structural wire. So that's your 1 millimeter. So you've got everything you need there to make absolutely so much fantastic wire there. But these are stunning, absolutely stunning. I'm going to leave that one just to the last because that is the showstopper. So we've got these beautiful quartz moons. So you get one in each of your boxes, but look at that. Look at that, it's absolutely stunning. So it's flat back, so it's a cabochon basically, and it's just got this beautiful bite out of the moon. It's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to have a play with that and see what I come up with. So we've got 4 different gemstones in here, which is amazing. Now this is really unusual. Not the gemstone as much because you do see it, but this is lavakite, but it's lavakite in this gorgeous, almost a cube shape because it's got a facet on each side. Can you see that round facet? So it obviously originally was a round, but then it's been faceted in this way that I just think it's amazing. And then kind of if it was a square, then it would be drilled corner to corner, which is even more unusual and more beautiful. At lavakite, it has this beautiful chatoyancy in it, this almost like a labradorite flash. I think you can see it there. So it has this optical effect and it's a beautiful kind of stormy gemstone. Absolutely gorgeous. So perfect to go with the night sky. Then we've got, I can't believe these gemstones. These are amazing. Wait until you see the last one. It's oh my gosh, look at the quality of this. This is silver obsidian. So silver obsidian, normally you get it, and yeah, you do get some chatoyancy from it, but is it chatoyancy or is it, I can't remember. But look at that. Wow. That is like a beautiful optical effect. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, it's got that stormy skies look to it. Perfect for this time of year, sort of the Halloween, the mysterious, shadowy kind of looks to things. It is absolutely beautiful. So, and then we've got this one. Just bear with me a second while I get this out. This I had never heard of before. If I'm honest, never heard of it and obviously never seen it, but look at that sparkle. Oh wow, let's just let this have the floor. Look at that. Now this is known as ice obsidian, so it is from the obsidian family. and look at it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I honestly cannot wait to use this. I mean, just on its own is just stunning. Look, that is not any sort of filter. That is like a paparazzi flash on those gorgeous faceted gemstones. So what a box. So I am going to go off, I'm going to make some things, and then I'm going to pop and put another little bit onto the end of this video so you can see what a few of the things that I've made. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. If you are interested, as of today, so today is the 20th of October, there are some spare boxes on the website. The link is down below the video, and you'll be able to grab a spare box. Obviously it's a subscription box, so October box, that's kind of gone now, but if there's any spare boxes, she puts them on, and I know for a fact there is some on, or there are some on at the moment. So mosey on over once you've got to the end of the video, because you want to see what I've made, and have a little look. Check the comments, not the comments, sorry, check the details below for the link to Relax and Craft, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos, and you won't miss any more unboxings and lots of other content that I provide. So I'm back. I haven't had a lot of time, so I have made 3 pieces of jewellery. I made two pairs of earrings, which you can see here, and then I have made up that beautiful moon shaped cabochon. So this is what I made to keep it really simple to start with. These are literally just different lengths, pieces of chain, and each one has one of the gemstone types on it. So we've got the ice obsidian, I've got 3 of those. And then I've got that beautiful, amazing shaped lava kites. And then the little silver obsidian, which is so pretty. So they're just really nice, really easy to wear. You know, you can make them any length, you can make them a lot shorter. It's entirely up to you. Really simple to put together. And I just joined those together with a jump ring at the top, just so that it gave it a nicer orientation than just putting it onto the loop. And they are literally just wrapped loops. So little charms with wrapped loops on. If you want to know how to make or how to perfect your wrapped loops, I do have a video, so please do check that out. I will link it below as well in the description. I'm not very good at that, putting the cards in to pop them up at the top there, but I will pop it in the description. Then these ones I am going to create a little tutorial for these, because we've got, you can see that gorgeous facet now on the lava kite. So these ones, I have used a hammer in it, which you don't get in the kit, which isn't your basic tool kit, but you don't have to use a hammer. But I will do a little tutorial because it just gives you that beautiful like look, the little design detail of the flatter wire at the bottom. But these are channel set, but I have double channel sets. So you can see we've got 2 lots of channel setting each side, because these are in your ears, and if you were going to wear your hair up, you don't really want to see wire at the other side, so I've double channel set them. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a separate video, which I should be able to get out straight after this one. So do make sure you click my channel and take a look. Don't forget to subscribe while you're there. You don't want to miss anything. I am going to try and post more regularly now. I know I've been a little bit not as regular at the last few months. I do home educate my son, and he has to take priority. So, but I am making a little bit more time in my day to create some content for you. So I will be showing you how to create with the wire and the gemstones this double channel set design. So now I'm going to show you the moon. I'm really happy with this moon. It's so pretty. So this is the moon. So I've set her sort of in this kind of, instead of the moon position, sort of this bottom position. I've kept it really simple, really quite smooth lines and everything, but we've got a beautiful wire weave at the bottom, and then just a really nice little simple bail, and finished off there as well. So I also may recreate this as a YouTube tutorial as well. Let me know if you would like to see this one in the tutorial, in a tutorial form over on my channel. So, and look how much I've got left. I've got lots of the 0.4 left. I've got the 1mm, not even touched the 0.6. I've got so many gemstones left. You can see I've only used minimum amount, so I can make so much more. I think I could at least make probably about 8 pieces of jewellery from this kit. I think the value is phenomenal. I've still got my clasps. I've got 3 clasps in there. I've got some head pins. I've got some jump rings. I've got some spacer beads and lots and lots of chain. So you can see just how much value you get out of these boxes. I'm going to try and get these out without sort of decanting all the gemstones everywhere, so you can see, look, all of this. Let's see if we can get the right end of the obsidian. It's the other end. Bear with me. I just don't want to lose them all off the strand. So there is a few in there. There are a few in there. I've got all of that silver obsidian, and which end is this going to be? Look at all the amazing ice obsidian I still have. And I do feel like I use that quite a lot because there's 14 in each of those. So there is still a lot, and I've still got some of the gemstones in there as well that came off the strands. So definitely amazing value for money, especially this month. I think this month's amazing with the gemstone shapes that you've got, the different gemstones. That ice obsidian, I would pay the box price for that. That is phenomenal. And don't forget, you do get a packet of biscuits as well, which I did eat a little earlier. So thank you so much for watching. Do check out for this video and let me know if you want this video. I will see you again soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment below. I always try to read them as much as I can and reply to as many as I can too. So take care, and I'll see you soon.